everyone, my name is Tanya. I am student of class 10. My school name is Bhavra Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir and my English subject teacher is Mr. Ashok sir. Today I am going to present my ASL topic, letters. What are letters? Letters are the simple and useful way to express our thoughts or any information to someone. It is a type of written communication. Then there are two types of letters, formal letters and informal letters. Today we will learn about formal letters. What are formal letters? Formal letters are those letters which we use for any complaint, inquiry, placing and ordering any order, etc. Then how to write a formal letter? So there are mainly 8 parts of formal letter. First is sender's address. In sender's address you can write the address of the person who is writing the letter. Then date. Then third part is receiver address. Then fourth is subject. In subject you can write your motive or any reason for writing the letter. Then you have to write salutation. In salutation, if you are writing the letter to any elder one, so you can write respected sir or madam. And if you are writing the letter to your younger one, so you can write dear. And then body of the letter. In body of the letter you can write the whole information that you have to give in to someone. Then you have to, then the 7th part is complimentary clause. In complimentary clause you can only write thanking you. And then 8th part is your name.
How to close the body of the letter?
We can simply close the body of the letter by writing thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhavani Kumari, student of class 10th. Today I am going to tell you about story writing. What is a story writing? Story writing is an art. It is the oldest form of written compositions. It is a work of imagination. It is easily be understandable in the grammatical structure. In other way, it is a meaning of set of narrations and the give a moral message. Now you can come from the format. Before I tell you about the format, you can remember that one thing, story writing is always in past tense. Now you can come from format. First, use phrases like long away, it so happened, once upon a time. Then the beginning of the story should catch the writer attentions. Then introduce the characters, and the fourth, the follows of the sequence. And the stories are the meaningful and logical. And then beginning में develop of the plot, incident develop and the accident, then the climate, end of the story should be predictable, meaningful and the satisfying. Then the moral of the story should be clear. Then the last story have a happy and the sad ending.
How to start a story in a simple way?
In these lines, once upon a time, it so happened and long away. Thank you.